we've done the database side, and we've done our queries and worked those and taken screenshots as evidence of those queries. Worked out what our queries are so we know we're getting the right ones. Now we're going to do the next step, which is create a web page and connect the web page to the database. That's pretty important. Link your data to the web page. Okay, so there are some connect scripts down here, and I'm going to copy and paste them. You can, of course, download the text and edit them, but I'm going to use these ones. First thing you need to do is get your MAMP and find out where your htdocs folder is. So under the different menus under there, you'll see that there's htdocs, which is in the MAMP folder. That's very important. So go to the MAMP folder and find the htdocs, which is under MAMP, nowhere else, and your website should be here. Now I'm going to create a folder, and this one's going to be my pets website, and in here I want a CSS file, a folder for styling. I want to put any images that I have, and I want to make sure my folder structure is very well organized here. Any PHP pages. So that's the first step. So once I've created my folder structure in htdocs, I'm going to drag the htdocs onto brackets and open brackets so I can make my PHP pages. So you'll see the htdocs is up here, and here's all my websites, and I want the pets one. Pets one has 2 folders inside, lowercase. I'm going to right click and I'm going to create a new file, and this one's going to be called index.php. Now, pretty important that I copy and paste my index page. So go back into the task, copy and paste, or download the file, whichever works. Now you've got to be a little careful. Sometimes there's hidden characters in here, which you can't see. So you've got to be a little careful there's no errors. So this hopefully is perfect. Be careful, make sure this is called link, and that in your connect PHP page that you're going to make, it's also called link in that file there. Okay, I'm going to save that, Control S. Now I want to probably make another folder. Oh no, I won't bother. I'll just make another file called connect.php. It should be exactly the same as this name here. Now this one is going to come straight from this one. Now I find that this might not be the best way, but anyway, we'll copy that and we're going to use it. So what we need to do is make sure this here is root, that's localhost, and this is the name of your database. So I'm going to change mine to, now that has to be perfect, nothing different to this name here, pets one. So it has to be the same name as your database, not the table, the database name. Really important. Okay, so you can do this. You can write or die and edit it. if you wanted to, if you look at your other examples. But make sure that's called link, and you've got the 4 areas there. And this should work. So I'll save that. Now, I'm going to go to my index page and make sure that there is connect. That is correct. And now I can look at my SQL, name, species, legs, danger, date of birth. There's my SQL there. This here has to be the name of the table. So, check that this here, over here, pets, there, is the same as this one here. Same spelling. Check that these here are the same as your field names. So, let's have a look. So, name and name, species and species, legs, danger, and date of birth. They all should be exactly the same. And I'm going to edit this and get rid of the etc part. I'm going to check that them fields are the same as in my database. The name, these here, the same as these here. Okay. And I should be able to save this. And hopefully, when I look at it, I get this, which is perfect. It's working.